Hi, and welcome to MiMoTextBase. Imagine you wanted a ranking of the most common themes of all epistolary novels of the French Enlightenment, an overview of authors covering sentimentalism, or a map of all publication places. The MiMoText knowledge graph combines the linked open data paradigm with the infrastructure of a Wikibase and text mining methods of database literary history. Using the query language Sparkle, you can query this large and growing knowledge graph about the French Enlightenment novel. The knowledge network is implemented with Wikibase, the free and open software behind Wikidata. As a part of the Wikibase ecosystem, our local instance allows us to both reuse existing properties, as well as export new data from our graph to other projects. We can start with a very basic Sparkle query, which lists all of the novels of a certain author. We select all items where the property hasAuthor has the value Tiffany de la Roche. The where clause defines the conditions as to which data should be picked, and the select clause defines which data should be displayed. With federated queries, it is possible to query several knowledge graphs at once by executing queries distributed over several different endpoints. The service keyword instructs the query engine to execute a portion of the query against a remote Sparkle endpoint and compose the final query result. You can also explore change over time, such as the distribution of a certain theme or narrative form. This is done by grouping and ordering the query result. You can choose to display query results using different visualizations, such as a bar chart or a scatter plot. Now let's try your own query. You can start by using an existing query and changing the items or properties, or you can formulate your own. Our project is committed to the principles of open science. This means that all data of mining and modeling text is placed in the public domain with a Creative Commons Zero license. Anyone may freely use, build upon, and enhance the data for any purposes without restriction.